In this video, I'll show you how to change your payment method for your iCloud. So your iCloud is essentially what manages the storage on your phone. So if you want to update the payment method for this, you need to come over to the settings on your phone, and right at the top, you need to select your name next to your Apple account. Then we can scroll down and select iCloud from the list. Then you need to select payment and shipping from this list. And here you'll find all of the payment methods associated with your iCloud account. Now you have to remember that your iCloud is essentially the same as your Apple account, so by changing a payment method here, it will also change the payment method for your Apple purchases. So in order to add a new payment, click the Add Payment Method button, and then go ahead and enter your card payment information. Once you're finished, you can click on the Done button. You can then set this payment method as your default payment method. If you have any other payment methods linked here, it's also a good idea to remove these to avoid being charged on other cards that you have linked. So all you need to do is click on the card that you want to remove, and then select Remove Payment Method at the bottom and select Remove. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your method in iCloud. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.